Hi, this is Travis from 10 Farms, and I wanted to show you today what I've got going on. Our shower sprayer cracked, and it's spraying water all over the place. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to replace one of these. But yeah, there's the crack right there in the nut. It was just coming out everywhere. So, went to Walmart. This is the hose, and you can see where it attaches up there. Went to Walmart and found this. They have a 60-inch metal shower hose. Looks just as nice, or maybe even nicer than the one that came with our faucet. And it was less than 10 bucks. There it is right there. So I'm going to replace that today and show you how easy this is to do. So the first thing we want to do is just take the old one off here. I don't know if I can do this one-handed or not. We'll see. I might have to kind of sit it down here to show you. But it just twists right off. Yeah, that one's really loose because it's broken. So then you got your sprayer. And you take off the other end here. And you can see they have O-rings inside them there so they don't leak. So just take the new hose, and it comes with O-rings too. There's your O-rings. And just put the O-ring right in there. This is hard to do with one hand. And get right up here. Just thread it right in there. Don't know why my camera doesn't want to focus. Just tighten it down. You're just doing it hand tight. You don't want to overdo the O-ring. And then do the same thing down here with the sprayer end. Put the O-ring in this end of the hose. Then you just put the O-ring in this end of the hose here. And just thread the thing right back on here. There you go. It's all back up in there where it goes. Thanks for watching.